Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.6 question number 4. A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? Let us solve this problem. Here in 1 liter of petrol, in 1 liter of petrol, 1 liter, in 1 liter of petrol, the two-wheeler, the two-wheeler, wheeler two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometer, right? Therefore, in 10 liters of petrol, the two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 into 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer. Here you see that if we multiply this 55.3 to 10, the point will be shifted towards the right one side. That is, after here it will come here. That it will come 5, 5, 3. The point is here. It will come to here. That is 553 kilometer. What is the question? How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? Therefore, we can say that it will cover 553 kilometer in 10 liters of petrol. In 10 liters of petrol. Liters of petrol. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.